In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up discount on Shopify. Pop-up discounts are a great way to grab customer attention, increase conversions, and grow your email list. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store, click on Settings at the bottom left corner. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels. Now click on Shopify App Store to open the app marketplace. In the search bar, type Popup and search for the app called Pop Convert Popups Banners. Once you find the app, click on it to open the app page. Now click Install and follow the prompts to add the app to your Shopify store. After the installation is complete, return to your Shopify admin and open the Pop Convert app from your Apps section. Inside the app, click on Templates. You'll now see different pop-up designs. Choose a template that matches your store style and click Use Template. Next, customize the pop-up design. You can edit the background color, title, text, button, colors, and even upload your own image to match your branding. After that, move to the content section where you can edit the pop-up message and discount offer. You can also customize the form settings if you want to collect customer emails before revealing the discount code. Now head over to the settings section to control how the pop-up appears on your store. You can choose when the pop-up should display, such as after a few seconds, when visitors scroll, or when they attempt to leave the page. Give your pop-up campaign a name so it's easier to manage later. Once everything looks good, click Save. You can also preview the pop-up before publishing to make sure it appears exactly how you want. And that's it. You've successfully created a pop-up discount on your Shopify store, helping boost engagement and encourage more sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.